Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Tech. Over the past couple of years, smartphone design have been evolving to give users as much screen as possible without making the phone any bigger. That's why OPPO bought OPPO FIND X. Let's talk about the phone here. So what you are seeing is a big 6.42-inch Full HD plus 19.5:9 ratio OLED display. And it's going edge to edge with no bezel, no notch design. The phone has a screen-to-body ratio of 93.8%, bezel-less design, and that's a new record. The most interesting aspect of the phone design is its camera unit. OPPO put the camera in a motorized slide-out tray that pop up the front and back camera when you open the camera app, and disappears when you close it. Now the rear camera is a 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel dual camera system. Camera does features portrait mode, effects, all that kind of stuffs. But front camera is a 25 megapixel sensor and it's got Face ID system in here. The Face ID consists of a dot projector, ranging sensor, flood illuminator and infrared camera combination, as we seen in Apple's Face Unlock tech. And there is even OPPO's version of an emojis, which is a nice thing. The Find X does not have a fingerprint scanner on it. There is no fingerprint scanner under the screen either. So it basically relying on the face scanning for secure locking. OPPO says that the camera can pop up in 0.5 seconds, which is very quick. For unlocking phone with face scanning, it required the system to slide up, look at your face and unlock the phone. The mechanism is motorized, the same way Vivo Nex camera is also motorized. But in Vivo Nex the use is only limited to selfies, but the slide mechanism on this device has a chance of mechanical failure. Due to the pop-up work by unlocking the phone hundreds of times a day, take call and taking front and back pictures. Vivo Nex does not have this problem because it only takes selfies. In any case, the phone looks very similar to the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus thanks to the edge display. And then inside comes all the high-end specs you would expect from a 2018 smartphone. The phone running on OPPO's ColorOS software, which runs on Android 8.1 Oreo. ColorOS is pretty quick and it seems to have all of the main features that we look for in an Android smartphone at this point, even including the gesture navigation system, which is pretty cool. Moving on the processor. The phone comes with Snapdragon 845 2.8 GHz octa-core processor, Adreno 630 GPU. Paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. The phone is global LTE compatible and it got dual SIM support. The OPPO Find X comes with the price tag of 59,990 rupees. The other big thing that missing is there is no headphone jack. Now other hardware features, it's got a big 3700 mAh battery, and it's got OPPO's VOC fast charging, so it can charge really quickly over a wire. But there is no wireless charging here. So that was our review of OPPO Find X. Subscribe our channel for more updates.